In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to secretly take pictures using your iPhone. First of all, you need to open the shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then we will create a new shortcut. So tap this plus icon, tap on search actions, and type here, take photo. Now choose take photo. In here, tap this arrow icon next to camera, and you have to disable show camera preview. If you want to secretly capture photos using your front camera, then tap on back, and here you can choose front camera or back camera. Then again tap on search actions, and this time search for save to photos and choose save to photos. And here tap on this arrow icon, tap on rename, and rename this shortcut. Then just tap on done and tap on back. And here we can see our shortcut has been successfully created. Now all you have to need, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, open accessibility settings, then tap on touch, then scroll down, tap on back tap, and you can choose double tap to capture a secret photo, or you can choose triple tap. It's your choice. So I'm selecting double tap. And now here scroll down and search for shortcut section. So under shortcut section here you will find your created shortcut. So my one is hidden capture. So I'm just selecting this capture. And now all you have to need, whenever you want to capture a hidden or secret photo, you just need to double tap on your iPhone backside. Let's do it. And here we can see the photo has been successfully captured. Now I'm just going to my Photos app, and here we can see the hidden photo successfully captured without opening my camera app. So this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.